First, we have to load some library or R packages. For example, if we would like to open data from Excel, then we need a library or package. This is called library read Excel. This package will be used to open Excel data. Another library tdverse for data management or ggplot. We use this library. But how to install? This is hands-on course. We don't need memorize any theory. So installing of our library is very easy. Just save it. Click save and we will save any folder. My code, please give any name. When we'll save, then we'll get a message. If any library will be not installed, then we'll get this message when we'll save and just click install. Very easy. Install. Yes. Already installed, so we need some additional library. This is for data opening. This is for data management, ggplot. This is for data analysis. This is for preparing table. And this is for labeling and this is for modeling. So we need these packages now save. So my recommendation, please write this syntax and save.